Hi everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video to compare the Realme Buds Q2 versus the BoAt AirDrops 101. Let's see friends which will be really good in terms of the battery, in terms of the sound quality, build quality, connection, pairing, all those things I'll try to discuss in this entire video, A to Z topic. So make sure to watch till the end of the video friends. In case if you are looking into buying one of this, then this video will be really helpful for you all. So try to watch till end of the video, don't try to skip because I'll try to point out each and every small details about this BoAt AirPods. So first thing, let's quickly start with the price details. The price of the Realme Buds Q2, we do know it's kind of really expensive, like 2,500 rupees right now in Amazon, which is available. And the Flipkart BoAt A101, we can actually get it for about 1,500 rupees. As you can see friends, that's 1,000 rupees less than the Realme Buds Q2, which is the first advantage which we do on the BoAt 101. But let's see, let's wait for the end of the video to declare which is the actual winner. That is a pricing difference only which we spoke. So let's talk about the next thing, which is a battery. So about the battery of the Realme Buds Q2, how much we can actually get and how much the BoAt we can get. The Realme Buds Q2 we can actually get up to 28 hours of total battery backup with the case and including all the charging earplugs as well. But still, if you want to use single charge, earbuds can last up to close to 5 to 6 hours of usage. Yes, even in my testing I did experience this kind of 5 to 6 hours of usage with these earbuds alone, single charge. That's one good advantage which you have. So you can easily watch maybe close to two movies you can definitely watch using this Realme Buds Q2. That should be kind of enough for most of the users while they are traveling. That's a really good advantage with the Realme Buds Q2. And this BoAt 101, which has got not that great battery life. Yes friends, it's absolutely disaster I would say, because 15 hours you got 15 hours and 3 hours only per charge with the AirPods. Yes, you can only use 3 hours, that's it. You cannot get more than that. In my testing I did find out same kind of time, only 3 hours, kind of close to 2 hours 40 minutes and 50 minutes, that's it. Apart from that nothing is there. But in the battery life segment, the Realme Buds Q2, it's absolutely the clear winner. Yes friends, absolutely clear winner. So you should not get frustration every time to charge. That is the reason I did mention this battery in the beginning itself. And next thing, absolutely about the sound quality, which is the best in terms of sound quality, what kind of drivers they do have. The BoAt 101, which has got the 13mm drivers, and the Realme Buds Q2, which has got the 10mm drivers. That's quite different. But Realme Buds Q2, which is ANC, which is active noise and cancellation, which is instantly works perfectly friends. As soon as you put the earplugs in your ear, you will definitely see the noise decreased. Yes, I did experience, and it's really helpful to get the really good sound volume as well. That's the one thing which I did like. But when I watch few movies, I did experience a really good sound effects while using this BoAt 101. Maybe that's because of the 13mm drivers, I'm not sure, but still the sound while listening to the music, it's really great in the Realme Buds Q2. And one more thing, not only that, you do get the Realme Link application to enable the different sound modes. Yes, absolutely friends, that's a very good advantage with the Realme Buds Q2, where there's an application clearly you can download and you can actually change the sound control how you want. You can actually enable the noise cancel if you want you can disable that, and even you can enable the bass boost place as well, and volume enhancement option is there. That's really great advantage in terms of the sound quality. So this is one thing which I particularly like in the Realme Buds Q2. Lot of customization, lot of enhancement. That absolutely feels really great using the Realme Buds Q2 in terms of the sound quality. I'm really happy. Yeah, I'm absolutely happy with the Realme Buds Q2, no doubt at all. That's the one thing which I can definitely announce here. So gaming, so that is another most interested topic, because a lot of users really want to know about the gaming, which is the best. Absolutely, when the Realme Buds Q2 is really good in terms of the gaming, because you do get only 88 milliseconds of latency. That's a very low latency, and you can even enable that option when going into the application, and you can use this game mode. So once you enable the game mode, you will feel really very low latency between the Bluetooth buds and the gameplay. That's the one good advantage for the gamers. You can think of buying these earbuds right now in case if you are playing for the games. Absolutely, this is a clear winner. In as the BoAt 101, I did experience not much lag, but just little bit kind of lag you will definitely experience using this one of BoAt 101. That's the one thing which I thought of just mentioning for you all. And in terms of the instant pairing and the connection, both are really great. The reason is because both earbuds, they do have the instant pairing. Instant pairing means as soon as you open the cap, it will be automatically paired to the smartphone. Let me show you friends. Right now this BoAt 101 is connected to this phone. Let me open the cap here. I'm trying to open, as you can see. As soon as I open this one, it will be immediately connected. As you can see, the Bluetooth is connected, as you can see, absolutely. So this is what we call the instant pairing. So which is present in both earbuds at this moment. That's really great to see. That's very good. And one more thing is that in the Realme Buds Q2 also we do have the instant pairing. So even when you keep the earbuds inside, you can actually see in the application how much percentage it is. And one the good thing with the Realme Buds is you can actually see the percentage for the case. For the case, how much battery it is. That's a really good advantage. You will get to know how much battery the case has got and whether you need to charge it or not. But in terms of the BoAt 101, you don't get that kind of functionality because there is no app designed for this BoAt 101. That is the one thing which I thought of just mentioning for you all. So now let me try to talk about the codecs. So what type of codecs the Realme Buds 2 support and what type of codecs the BoAt 101 supported. Let me try to explain clearly. I'm trying to explain each and every small thing clearly as well, because you should know all these things before actually buying and regulating later. So the BoAt 101 supports the AAC codec, as you can see friends. AAC codec is supported, which is high quality codec, and the Realme Buds Q2 also supports the AAC codec, as you can see, absolutely. As you can see friends, AAC codec. So both earbuds are completely supported with the same kind of codecs only during my time of testing. And let's talk about the build quality, which is really good in terms of the build quality. And let's check the weight of the both earbuds. Let's check. So let me try to check the weight of the first Realme Buds Q2. Let's check what will be the weight of the Realme Buds Q2. It's about close to 4.6 grams, not bad. And the BoAt 101, it's close to 4.2 grams, not bad. So 4.6 and 4.2. You can see the difference, friends. Slightly less in terms of the BoAt 101, little bit, but not much. And you do have the touch controls. So on the both earbuds, you do have the touch controls on the option. As you can see, that's the option is there, which is present in both earbuds as well. But one thing is that using the Realme Link application, you can even customize this kind of button settings. So double tap, triple tap, and touch and hold. So right side and left side, you can actually customize in this way. As you can see friends, there is no single tap. There is no single tap, but there is only double tap and triple tap and touch and hold. That's it. These are the three options which are available. So in case if you want to pass any kind of audio, you need to double tap it. That's a one kind of disadvantage. I did like only single tap, not the double tap, but still that's kind of annoying in the Realme Buds Q2. So let me try to show you how this kind of gestures work actually in the device. That's what I'm going to explain you clearly right now. So it is a BoAt 101 which I connected and playing the songs right now. As you can see, single tap, it should turn off. As you can see, the audio is turning off right now and it should turn on. As you can see friends, exactly what is happening. That's really great. And we do have the mics as well on the top, and here we do have this kind of mics. So with the Realme Buds Q2, you need to double tap it. You need to double tap and then the audio will be passed. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries, sometimes I'm not sure why, but yes, absolutely. This is another thing which I thought of just mentioning for you all. So friends, in my experience, if you ask me which one I would recommend absolutely the Realme Buds Q2. If you have the money to spend and buy the 2,500 rupees on the Realme Buds Q2, then definitely you can buy this Realme Buds Q2, which are really worth of buying, I would say, in my opinion. I'll try to do the Realme Buds Q2 versus the Dijo or GoDots as well. That is another thing a lot of users that is really interested in that video. I'll try to upload a video on that very soon. But make sure to stay tuned for more updates, friends. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. But right now in my testing, the sound quality is really great. The battery life is good, and the features which we get in the Realme Buds is really great. Using the application and using the active noise cancellation, that's another really good advantage. These are lowest price, really all-round performance Realme Buds. Realme, I think Bluetooth buds, that's what I'm going to say. It's really great to use this one. And BoAt 101, it's absolutely is also good, but not having great battery life. Not having great battery life is another thing, and not that great in terms of sound volume. It's kind of good, but not that good as a Realme Buds Q2. Maybe I'm liking the Realme Buds Q2 because of the active noise cancellation, and which you can actually feel a lot of difference. That might be the another reason, but still. So battery life is the main thing which the AirDots from the BoAt 101 is lacking in terms of not having that great battery life. So thank you for watching this video, friends. In case if you have any other queries regarding this both, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll be able to help you out which phone, which earbud to buy. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.